Sermon number 52. Reward and Punishment, in the Next World. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Beware, the world is wrapping itself up and has announced its departure. Its known things have become strangers and it is speedily moving backward. It is advancing its inhabitants towards destruction and driving its neighbors towards death. Its sweet things, enjoyments, have become sour, and its clear things have become polluted. Consequently, what has remained of it is just like the remaining water in a vessel or a mouthful of water in the measure. If a thirsty person drinks it, his thirst is not quenched. Creatures of Allah, get ready to go out of this world for whose inhabitants decay is ordained, and, beware, heart's wishes should overpower you, nor should you take your stay, in life, to be long. By Allah, if you cry like the she-camel that has lost its young one, call out like the cooing of pigeons, make noise like devoted recluses, and turn to Allah, leaving your wealth and children as a means to secure His nearness and high position with Him, or the forgiveness of sins, which have been covered by His books and recorded by His angels. It would be less than His reward that I expect for you, or His retribution that I fear about you. By Allah, if your hearts melt down thoroughly and your eyes shed tears of blood, either in hope for Him or for fear from Him, and you are also allowed to live in this world all the time that it lasts even, then your actions cannot pay for His great bounties over you and His having guided you towards faith.